Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Snapchat dark mode in the newest update of Snapchat. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to open the Snapchat, and as you can see, here is the camera. You need to click on your profile picture in the top left corner to open your profile. Now from your profile you need to go to the settings, clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now as you are in the settings, you need to scroll down just a little bit until you will find the option called App Appearance and click on it. And as you can see, here is a new display of app themes. They added different app themes for the Snapchat, and if you want to set the dark mode theme, you will need to just click on this moon icon. As you can see, it is system dark. You can also find some different dark themes right here, for example ocean floor, or there are plenty of them here, deep sea or moonlit stroll, but I will go with just default system dark. And if you want to apply this system dark mode, you will need to click on the apply theme, and as you can see, now you got the dark mode on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.